alignment with the Year of Sustainability 2025 in the UAE, Excel International School proudly launches Sustain ED, a transformative educational initiative aimed at fostering environmental consciousness and sustainable practices among the students. This program reflects the UAE's commitment to a greener future and integrates sustainability into every aspect of life, preparing our students to become proactive global citizens.
Our mission began with understanding the distinction between biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances. Organic material such as fruit peels and paper can decompose naturally, but plastic and other non-biodegradable waste can remain in the environment for many centuries. In order to decrease the amount of waste being sent to landfills, our school garden has our very own compost bin.
We have gathered organic waste from our classrooms, such as vegetable peels, fruit scraps, and garden trimmings. We found out that these substances decompose with the help of tiny organisms, transforming into nutrient-rich soil to our school garden.
Our project taught us that composting is an excellent method to minimize waste and produce organic fertilizer. This benefits the environment and also enhances the quality of our garden soil. We are happy that our school is moving towards sustainability with the use of biodegradable materials and composting.
To sum up, through the utilization of compost pits and an emphasis on biodegradable materials, we have discovered a straightforward method to improve the cleanliness and health of our planet. We look forward for more schools and communities to join us on this small yet significant stride for a more sustainable future. This is me, Adam Kahla, signing off.